Hi YouTubers, you are welcome to our channel PC Help 24. Today I will present to you to solve a problem which is occur on Google Chrome browser. Sometimes Chrome browser show us this message like your connection is not private. Today I will see you how to solve this problem. Friends, to solve this problem you need to watch the full video. Watch the full video and stay with us. Friends, if you do not subscribe our channel till now, please subscribe our channel and click the bell button for get new videos notification. Okay, let's go to solve this problem. Now, I want to browse something. Okay friends, the Chrome browser show me a message, not secure, your connection is not private. Friends, sometimes when we want to browse something on online with Chrome browser, this message this problem we face. There are many reasons for this showing this message. First of all, it may occur for our computer time setting. For time setting, dear friends, look here. My time setting is not accurate according to my country. Now I want to change it. Time change. I want to search. Try it. Button change. Another heavy reason for showing this message. This reason is for our antivirus. We have to need change something settings of our antivirus. In antivirus have some settings which protect our computer from browsing insecure site. We have to change it. At first we have to open our antivirus, go setting, go active protection, web shell customize, then we uncheck this box, then okay. I want to reload it. Dear friend, it will solve my problem. Solved now. My net speed is not very well. For this may take some time. Please wait. Okay, the problem is solved. Thank you friends for stay with us.